Jeff, it feel like we made it to round one of the system that
Right.
went through, right?
Round two, not as widespread, but there could be some beefy thunderstorms, especially south of New York City later on today, down over the Jersey Shore, where you're actually breaking out into some sunshine right now, get temperatures well up into the 80s, but that means the atmosphere is going to be able to produce those stronger storms down that way. Here's a look outside in the city. We're just cloudy here. We can get a few peaks of sun, or at least a little bit of brightening during the afternoon, but expect a rather cloudy and humid rest of the day in and around New York City and points north and east. Temperature right now 73. Look at the humidity way up there at 87%. The wind is calm for the time being. 75 has been our high today, which is well below average for this time of the year. We'll get up closer to average tomorrow, and especially as we head into Thursday, 97. The record in the state back in 1988, by the way, that was a very hot summer. And we closed in on nearly 3/4 of an inch of rainfall in New York City. But like I was saying earlier, nearly 4 inches of rain out over parts of the Hamptons, where they get those really persistent heavy downpours during the early morning hours. Sun setting these days, 7:54. So here we go. Afternoon hours, we're looking at pretty quiet conditions for much of the rest of the afternoon. Maybe a few peaks of sun in and around New York City. And then late in the day, we'll have to keep an eye on those radars, especially from New York City and points south and west, and especially down the Jersey Shore. Could be some stronger thunderstorms moving into that area, and that shower and thunderstorm chance can continue into this evening at least. Clouds to start tomorrow, and then I think we break out into more sunshine by tomorrow afternoon. Pretty nice afternoon shaping up. 80 at Newark at this hour, 74 at LaGuardia. You're stuck in the 60s off to the north of New York City and Newburgh. Meanwhile, you reverse that 68 at Newburgh and you get 86. That's your temperature down the shore right now at Belmar, where you have more in the way of sunshine while we're kind of socked in with the cloud cover from New York City and points north and east. But even in the city, we can get a few breaks, a few peaks of sun during the course of the afternoon. By 4 p.m., probably not a ton going on. Maybe there's an isolated shower storm popping up in that unstable air mass to the south, but it could turn quite active over central and southern New Jersey as we approach dinner time. And any of those storms could contain some damaging wind gusts, maybe some hail, and certainly some heavy downpours and a lot of lightning. By 10 o'clock tonight, that activity shifts offshore. You still can't rule out, though, a shower or a thunder shower right through about midnight, and then the clouds linger into tomorrow morning before we gradually clear things out as we head into tomorrow afternoon. The next appreciable shot at getting a shower storm comes in during the day on Friday, and it might be just a first half of the day type of situation where we get this front moving through, say, mid to late morning, and then we clear out by Friday afternoon, making way, by the way, for a fantastic weekend. Rest of this afternoon, you're accurate with the forecast, rather cloudy and humid out there. Watch for a shower and a thunderstorm around later on, the strongest of which would be south of New York City, that high getting up to about 81. It's a shower and thunder shower in the area, mainly early and then mostly cloudy and sticky. We're down to 70 for a low. Morning clouds breaking for some afternoon sunshine tomorrow, that high getting back up to about 82. Here's your AccuWeather 7-day forecast. Near normal on Thursday. Nice day out there, about 84. Could be a shower, thunder shower Friday, mainly first half of the day, 85. Look at the weekend. Beautiful breeze, less humid Saturday, 82. And then we turn up the heat and the humidity by later in the weekend, 87 on Sunday. Maybe a stray storm buggy day Monday up near the 90-degree mark. But hey, what can we expect? It's August.
Yep, there you go.
Exactly.
All right.
Still to come, a possible school bus strike looming as New York City approaches the first day of school.
And it is the video that's gone viral. What was she thinking? A woman goes into a famous fountain in Rome just to fill a water bottle.